All right, welcome to version 2.0.7, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the main changes and updates that we made. Now, aside from a variety of bug fixes and hot fixes that we did to fix a few things, we added 4 new features or 4 main changes that I want to talk about during this video. Now, the first one is we added a sticky add to cart, which was highly requested. So if we go into our header options here, we scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the ability to enable or disable the sticky add to cart on desktop and on mobile. So that way you can have it turned on desktop, off on mobile, or vice versa. Okay. Now, if we jump down here, let's go to just one of our random products here and load that up. And as I scroll down, you'll notice that we now have this sticky add to cart stuck to the top of the page, and the variant changes with whatever variant they have selected, and they can simply add it to their cart from clicking on that sticky add to cart. All right. That's one thing that we added. The next thing that we added was, let's close out of our cart here. Let's go back to our home page. We added 2 new homepage sections for countdown timers. So let's go to add section here. And we are going to scroll down here. We're going to go to load more. And our countdown timers are at the bottom. So we have a date-based countdown timer and an evergreen countdown timer. Now, these are to be used if you want to show a timer for any reason on your homepage or on some custom landing pages, which I'm going to talk about next. You can do a date-based one where you actually insert the date and the timer will count down to that date. Or you can do an evergreen timer that will just repeat itself over and over. Okay, so let's do evergreen, for example. Select that. Let's make sure we go ahead and turn this on here. So enable this section and it loads up. We can make it full width. We have our headline here. We have our sub headline there. Let's go ahead and select one of our images here, right? So you have all this customization options here. And then let's get down to the date, which is the important part. We can choose the days, the hours, and the minutes. So we have 1 day, 6 hours, 23 minutes. And like I said, once I save this and let it refresh itself, this will just repeat itself over and over. So after this 1 day, 6 hours, and 23 minutes, it'll just restart at 1 day, 6 hours, and 23 minutes. And we have all the different color options to really control exactly how this looks. And the date-based one works exactly the same, except the timer is going to be based off of a date that you selected. So if you want to run some kind of limited time special and advertise it on your homepage, or like I said, you want to create a custom landing page, which is the next feature that I want to talk about. Let me go ahead and remove this here. At the top here, when you click this drop-down menu, you're going to notice we have 3 new sections here. Custom 1, Custom 2, Custom 3. Okay, these are all custom landing pages that you can now create and treat it as if it's its own landing page for your visitors. So if I'm running some type of Black Friday special and I want to create a landing page dedicated to that Black Friday special, I can create that here with a variety of our sections. Maybe I want to create a custom landing page where we advertise our gift card or some kind of secret landing page for VIP customers. Whatever it may be, we now have 3 different custom landing pages that you can create at the same time. Now, when you load this up here, yours is going to be blank, most likely. I have a few different test sections here, but we have our banner. Each page has its own banner that you can enable or disable. So if I click on show banner here, we'll have the banner slot up here, and then we can upload whatever our banner is going to be. Okay, that's if you want to use a banner. If not, you can turn off the banner and use just the sections that we have here. So we go into the page sections here, open it up, and it's just like the home page. We have these 2 sections added, but we can go to add content. We have our single product layouts here. We have contact forms, custom HTML, your basic images and heroes. We have, text, the countdown timers, and so forth, okay? So again, you can build this and customize it however you want. And we have 3 different ones that you can work with here. See, this one's completely blank. Go to page sections, add content. Let's add, a single product layout 1. Got that in there. And just customize it however you would like to customize it. Just like so, okay? Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is not that big of a feature, but for our upsell pop, originally you had to assign an upsell tag to each one of your products. However, this time we added a fallback product. So if we go into our upsell settings and click on that, and we scroll down here to choose a product, this will be the product that is automatically used as an upsell if that product doesn't have an upsell tag assigned to it. Okay, So this will be like the default go-to upsell pop-up if you have not assigned a specific product to the upsell. And if that's confusing, please go watch the upsell tutorial and you'll understand what I mean. This is going to be a fallback universal upsell pop-up, okay? So we have that. We have 3 new custom pages. And I guess I can mention really fast, to use these custom pages, you're going to go into your pages here in the back end of your store. And when you create a brand new page, you want to assign it custom 1, custom 2, or custom 3. And it's going to be assigned to, whichever one you use here, custom 1, custom 2, custom 3. Just create your page, give it a title, select custom 1, 2, or 3, and then save it. And then Shopify will automatically pull in the template that you designed here. All right. So that's what we have updated for 2.0.7. And of course, if you have any questions, please let us know and I'll be glad to help.